Trucker Ray back with another video. Today we out here at the European Car Meet 2023. As you can see, we're in Leavenworth. So it's still kind of early. We got here last night pretty late. So you know, we're about to be walking around, seeing some dope exotic cars and shit, some dope builds. So yeah, man, stay tuned, y'all. I'll show you guys when we see some live action. As you guys can see, you know, showing. Jeez. Out here, look at all that people.
Want to walk in the street, or do you want to walk by the
Let's go this way. And we'll go off right here. Show them the E30s and shit. And man, I wish I had my car here, man. Couple of BBS. Look at the, if you look close, you probably can't tell on camera the gold flake in it.
Oh no, they can see it.
They can see the flake. Sheesh. It's hard. And you got, damn, it's clean, ain't it? And you know, there's another one. It's fire. That's fucking hard. The Works wheels with the blinds in the back. Alright, y'all.
Yeah, look at this BMW.
We out here. This is just like some stuff we're seeing. Jeez, this is a fucking clean one. This one that was next to our where we had our hotel.
Oh yeah.
Cabrio. Diesel Cabrio with the air ride suspension. Sheesh. They have a couple of them.
This is nice.
Go look at this E30 over here. Hard. This is a clean ass E36, huh? With the interior like that. Maybe my E30 like this one. Yeah, right. See, he has the air ride setup that I'm gonna be trying to get for mine.
Yeah, it was so little.
Yeah, it's slow.
That's like,
This
I'm
is fucking
taller than
It's a little. Oh, it has, I think, a VR6 swap.
More commercial industrial. They do some.
Come on. This is clean. This one's clean. Look at. Look, it's like his model. Like the model of it. You see the model of it? Everybody's on air. This one's clean. Look at, man. Look at his plate. VR6 Berry.
Oh,
That's hard. It's all color match.
License is like
Plays
literally
low.
touching the floor.
Cause is hard.
Yeah, we didn't have we went to the AA market for this 90s and rented the coil or the spring compressor. So we had that.
That one's fucking clean, y'all. This one right here is just crazy. And I like these ones.
So hang on, it gets better. This one, buddy,
Look, he put the Lego piece as his battery cover. This fucking hard. People get... Even the interior. Yeah, they came out with this colorway for a few years, even on the Volkswagen Beetles. Crazy. That's diesel. It's M4, the new ones are fucking crazy. Look, babe, these guys are all on the air. This one is insane with the fucking wide body with the, look how slammed it is. This one comes every year though, whoever this guy is. I think he's on YouTube. Yeah, well, see how low it is? That's when it's parked. That's not the ride height.
No, but I wonder if it's like this.
Probably not. Like, come back here. See, that's the whole the air ride stuff.
Oh, this is dope.
Don't clean R32s.
Oh, like
let's go over there.
trees.
Watch out.
Hold on, there's a car. Hold on. Oh, wait, babe, there's another car.
Damn. Let's cheap out of here. These, I don't like the wheels. It's just disgusting.
Oh, what is this, a Benz?
No, these are Volkswagen Passats.
But then look,
No,
look at
Jetta.
the rims. They
Yeah,
got Benz
it's
rims.
just the Benz center caps with the hood down. This one's actually clean, but...
Is this diesel?
Come here. This one is, yeah, TDI. Come look.
It's so like, you cannot see kind of inside. Why does it have $1 there?
To show you how low, it goes low enough to hold $1 right there.
Oh.
Yeah. This one's a Jetta. But you know, look, this one has the fender dump right there. It's boosty.
Yeah.
You see the turbo? Right back here. Oh, actually crazy.
Look at that. Kind of like this.
I see him. It's a couple E36s. The purple. Is that this one at actually M3? Or is it just, yeah, it is. These are the M3
It's new.
mirrors.
Look at the seats. They're all red. Like a white gray.
This shit is crazy.
Damn, this is dope.
I like the Avant. Now this is tight. It's so clean.
Oh yeah, and it's like a V6. It has audio.
These bitches be hitting it though. They're quick. You'll drive that one?